What is up, beauty babes? It's your favorite YouTuber, Brittany Nicole, back at one of the videos. So I know you've seen that thumbnail, sis, and you read that title. So today I am going to be showing y'all how to do a quick and easy eyebrow. So further ado, let's get straight into the video. And yes, y'all probably wondering, girl, that's a little too light, but don't worry, don't worry. I got you, sis. I got you, sis. I am going to be mixing these two highlighters right here to get the color I need because I am out of my concealer I normally use. I have an angle brush that I'll be using for, oh my gosh, I have my eyebrow pencil, and of course I have this little sponge thing to wipe the extra concealer off, just to blend it out, and then of course I have my blender. And let's not forget my spoolie, so let's get straight into the video. So first things you want to do first is start brushing out your hair. So we're just going to brush it up into where the hair grows. So I'm just brushing it up this way and then just rounding it out, and you just do the exact same side and just brush it out. Now I'm only going to do one eyebrow just to show y'all the difference between what a regular eyebrow looks like, your normal eyebrow, and then a brow that I am going to do for y'all on camera. So eyebrow pencil, this is the color black, and the next thing you're going to do, you're just going to outline your eyebrow. So just outline, just start, and we're just gonna outline just like that, and we're just gonna go on the top and do the exact same. As you can tell, I am not starting at the beginning of my brow. And then just brush it together. As you can see right here, they have crisscross, but don't worry, sis, because we're going to get that when we use the concealer. So next thing you want to do is just fill in your brows, but only the parts just like actually have sparse hair. So like you see right here where my tail is, I'm just going to fill that in just like that. And of course in the front, we're just going to take it and we're just going to go upward like hair strokes. Just like that. So this is what you should be looking like. Just like that. So you're going to take your spoolie again, and all you're going to do is blend it out. So we're just going to blend just like that. We're just going to blend. And all I'm doing is brushing up where your hair grows. So that way we don't have any harsh lines. And we're just going to blend it out. So it should look something like this. Now, the hard part. Well, it's not the hard part, but for me it is, because I'm trying to hold my mirror and do my concealer. So next thing you want to do is take your concealers, open up my concealers, and I'm just going to take a little bit, as you can see right here. I'm going to just put some on my hand, just like that. And I'm just going to mix them together to get the color that I need. You would want a concealer that is a shade lighter than your actual skin tone. But like I said, I am currently out. So we're going to have to make it do what it do, baby. We're going to have to make it do what it do. Is just take your concealer like I have here on my hand, and I am just literally going to mix these up just like this. I'm just mixing it up just like that. Now, you don't want a lot of concealer on your eyebrow. So all you're doing is just getting real good on both sides, and then now you're just going to take this concealer and go under your eyebrow and such, and just outline your eye, any imperfections that you may have done when you first started drawing it. Just like that. And I just always take the extra and just drag it down. We do the exact same thing, and we just start. And I'm just going to outline. Outline my eye like that, so it should look something like this. And all I'm going to do is just take it and pull it up, pull it away so it's not as thick. Now that you have it to the shape that you desire, all you're going to take is a blender, or like I said in the beginning of this video, I have this tool that I literally got from the dollar store. And all you do, it looks just like this. And all you want to do is just take this and just go straight across on top of your brow, and you're just blending everything out. Make sure you don't get too close to your eyebrow. And your brow should look something like this. See the difference? So that is it, you guys. Easy peasy. If I can do it, so can you. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow my social media. And if you would like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments below. And any videos that y'all would like to see, I'm gonna get it done, period. So without further ado, remember, you're a boss. Bye.